a new topic, curve. What is the curve and how to make a curve? Okay, that what is the curve? The exam definition: any drawing done without lifting the pencil may be called a curve. A drawing done without lifting the pencil may be called curve. And a line is also a curve. Without lifting means you suppose your pencil is the point A and draw any drawing, it's called the curve. It's called the curve. This type of drawing is also called the curve. In curve is two types of curve. How many types? Two types of curve. First is a closed curve and second is open curve. Closed curve and open curve. Suppose your pencil point is here and you draw any drawing, and this point is A, suppose is a starting point, and draw the point and last ending point you join the point of A. It's called the closed curve. Any types of curve you draw starting point and join the last point is called the curve. This type of drawing is called the curve. And opposite of, suppose you starting point and don't join the end point, this type of curve is called open curve. This type of open curve, because the starting point and ending point is not joined, ending point is not joined, it's called the open curve. And simple curve, you draw the simple diagrams, is called the simple curve. Okay, now second topic is polygon. A polygon is a simple closed curve made up a line segment. It's called a polygon. This type of closed curve you draw by the line segment, it's called the polygon. So that suppose a simple closed curve, this type diagram is closed curve, but it is not a polygon. Polygon is made by the line segment. Suppose 3 lines will be drawn, it is a polygon. 4 lines, 4 side closed curve is polygon. This is the only curve, and this diagram, because they make by the line segment, it's called the polygon. Okay, some part of polygon is, suppose you draw a 5-side polygon. This is the 5 side of polygon. That polygon name is A, B, C, D and E. Okay, that this is this, and the 5 called the side of polygon. This is called the side of polygon. Suppose you write AB, BC, CD, DE, and EA. They all are sides are polygon. Okay. Second, any two sides of the common end, point are called adjacent side. Adjacent side means that A, B and BC is the point of B is a common ending point. It's called these two sides are the adjacent side. Adjacent side to end point is Okay, and they join the two common side, two sides is the called the vertex, that is the called vertex. Okay, and the name of polygon is decide on side. Decide on side means the three sides is a triangle, four side is a quadrilateral, five side is pentagon, six side hexagon, 7 8 side octagon. The different name is depend on the side. I start exercise 4.2. This is the first question. Classify the following curve as open and closed. Some diagrams are given that in question. You find the which diagram is open and which diagram is closed curve. They all are curves. That first is the starting point and this is the ending point is not joined. It means this is the open curve. Second, the starting point and ending point all are joined. It's called the closed curve. Again, the starting point and ending point is not joined. It's a open curve. And this is the closed curve. Again, will be closed curve. Okay, the first is open curve, second is closed curve, third is open curve, fourth again closed curve, and fifth is also closed curve. So next question number second, draw rough diagram. Draw rough diagram is illustrate the followings. The first is open curve and second question is closed curve. Means you have draw any rough diagram without any use the ruler and compass. The rough diagram open curve, you do the open curve first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so many types you draw the diagrams, but starting point and ending point are not joined. This all the open curve. And closed curve is simply closed curve. You draw the circle, you draw the triangle, in the rough diagram square, and this and yes. Okay, the starting point and ending point of joint, it's called the closed curve. Now question number third is draw any polygon. Here draw the polygon. Polygon is a closed curve made by the line segment and shaded the interior part. Interior part means the part of a curve in interior lines segment. Suppose you draw the first is triangle, second is circle, not, because circle is a curve, not is a polygon because it is not made by the line segment. Okay, so you draw the this type diagram. Because the all diagrams made by the line segment and given the name A, B, C, A, B, C and D. Is A, B, C, D and E. The three examples of polygon. And question is asked, shaded the interior part. So this is the interior part. Inside of the part is called the interior part. So you shade it by the any color you use, no problem. Line shaded, no problem. Okay, this is the shaded of interior part. Use any color, Don't use the watercolor, because watercolor you use, your copy is destroyed. You use the moon color. Okay, and this is the interior part, and this, in these triangles, the exterior part of outside part is exterior part, and inside part of interior part. Now the next question is, consider the following figures and write answer of this question. Consider the figure. This is the figure given, and first question is asked according to figure. It is a curve. Your answer is yes, it is a curve. Okay, because they know any open point. And second question, it is a closed. Your answer is yes, it is a closed. Okay, consider the given figure and answer of questions. And first question is, it is a curve. It is the curve because it is a draw by the pencil and anything. Then it is a close. Yes, it is a close because a last point, not starting and last point, is not a open. It's now question number 5. Evaluate the possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. That first question is a closed curve. A closed curve that is not a polygon. A closed curve that is not a polygon means you draw any curve. You not use the line segment. You do not use the line segment. It means it is not a polygon, and you draw the curve. And starting and ending point you joint is closed curve. You have draw any diagrams. I am sure it's some different diagrams. You have not used the align segment. It's all are closed curve. Okay. Now second, a open curve made up externally of line segment. You have draw okay, and this is the open curve, but that open curve made up extend to line segment. And third question, it is called a polygon with two side. The polygon with two side is polygon. That answer is polygon with two side, with two sides cannot draw. Okay, a polygon with two side cannot draw. Minimum a three side will require to make a polygon. Now next topic is angle. You know, the previous class you understand the meaning of angle, but this here is start. The angle is an angle is made up from two rays starting from a common interior point. It's mean, suppose will be two rays in common point of A. There are two rays. First ray suppose is point of O, and two state A, OA is and OB. The two rays is the starting point of O. This is the angle. The point of O is a angle. Okay, and OA comma OB is called arms. Is called arms. Arms here side of the angle. This is called the sides of angle. Okay, and this O is called the common vertex. Is vertex. This is called the angle. Two rays in common point. Suppose different type. There are two rays is common point A. The rays first rays is AB and second rays is AC. It means this is the part. This part is called the angle. Okay, and the angle interior part, this is the total, there is the increase and this rays will be increase. This is the interior part of angle and this is the exterior part of angle. Okay, suppose we'll be write the B, yes, suppose write the O. The O is a point of exterior part of angle, and you write the here is the B, a P is the interior part of the angle. Now after the introduction of angle, we start the exercise 4.1. that the first question is the name of the angle is given figure. Where is the figure? You draw the figure by the compass and sharp pencil, ruler and sharp pencil. Name of the angles is figure, and I draw the figure. Okay, their total side is 4 and point is A, B, C and D. Now 4 side, okay, and one angle will made by the minimum 2 sides. One angle made by the minimum 2 side, and write the name of the angle. That name of angle, the name of angle is 2 types written. First is a short name and second is a big name. So you write the one is angle A. This is the sign of angle. This is the sign of angle, and between write the name of the angle. And second angle B, and third is angle C, because the 2 rays in joint of the point of A. The first is angle A. Similarly to rays AB and sides BC in common point of B, this is the angle, and similarly to angle C and angle D. So that is the angle 4 at angle D. This is the small name, and write the big name. Big name will be start, the angle will be start. Suppose you write the angle of A, they will start the name of start to B, A, D, A, B, angle D, A, B. The main angle is A between the 2 other points, and angle B. Where is the angle A? They start the A, B, C. That angle of A, B, C. Okay, similarly angle C is between B and D. That is write the BCD, DCB, if no problem, that B, C and D, and similarly to write no problem to D, C, B, they all are same. And angle D is angle CDA. Angle C, they start, and this is the angle and end of A, and write down A, angle of ADC. Similarly write no problem, this is the angle of BAD and angle of CBA. There are 3 common names, that angle A, angle DAB and angle BAD, they are same. You write angle A, right, angle DAB is the right answer, BAD is a right answer, but you write the 3 answers because future you help the write the name of the angle. Now second question, in a given diagram, this is the given the diagram, the name of the points. There are 3 questions. In the interiors of angle DOB, it's mean which point is interior part of DOB and which point of exterior part of ECCOF, and last is on the triangle DEDF. So that first is angle is DOB. DOB, where is the D? This is the point of start D, you come O, okay, you start D and come O and going on B. This is the angle. So this is the part of interior part of angle DOB, is the point of A. That answer is, you write point capital A. Second is the exterior part of angle EOF. Where is the EOF? Now start E, O and F. This is the angle of the part of interior part of angle EOF. 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 This is the part of interior part of angle EOF, and outside part of is the called the exterior part of angle EOF. So this is the point C is the exterior part, point A, okay, and point D. That's the answer. Okay, and third is a which point on the angle EDF. EDF. EDE. 1 minute, that the question is ED from it is the EO, EOF, EO and F. So 4 points. First point is E, second point is B, third point is O, and fourth point of F. They on the angle EOF. So that the answer is that point. First point is E, okay, comma, point F, comma, point O, and last will be point B. That is 4 point on the angle EOF. Now question number 3rd in exercise 4.3, draw rough diagram of the two angles. Draw the rough diagrams of two angles such that they have. It is 5 questions in between. Question number 3. The first is draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one common point. You draw two angles. Its first common points. So you draw point O is common. Okay, and A, B, C, and this is the point of D. There is the one common point and two angles such that has a draw. Okay, now second is 2 point is common. A 2 point of common in two angles in is O, A and B. Okay, here the point O is a common point. Here is two angles in the two is D. Okay, इसको स्मॉल कर लेंगे. That B. The 2 points are common. Where 2 points are common? Which 2 points? The B, O, A. This is A and O, A, D. That O. The A point is common and O point common. Angle AOD and angle BOD. The 2 points are common in one line. And third question is, you also draw that okay, that the B, write any name, no problem. That A, here C, here D, here E, there F. Okay, the 3 points of D, C, E, these the 3 points are common. The D, C, E points are common. 4 points are common. Draw diagram. 4 points are common. Okay, the points are O, A, B, C, D and E. The point is common point is 4 points at 2 angles. There are 2 angles A, O, E, D, C, B, O, E, D, C. Again will be common point of this. 4 points are common. And third is one ray is common. One ray is common. This diagram will be show O, A, B and C. This is the B, O, A, O, C. This is the OA rays is common to both angles. Okay.
Peace.